Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Since I was a child, I always enjoyed vegetables. I wasn't fussy. My brother, on the other hand, wasn't too crazy about a few, including peas. Therefore, my parents rarely made dishes with them. When I met David, he introduced me to a family side dish, and since then, we have to make it often. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make cream peas. This is such a beautiful dish. It's creamy and fresh with a nice combination of ingredients. Very easy to make. This is a flavorful side dish to pair with many proteins. This is definitely a great summer recipe. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add butter. When it's melted and starts sizzling, we'll add shallots and quickly saute them for 1 minute or until soft. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and saute it for only 30 seconds. Next, we'll add flour and whisk continuously for 2 minutes to remove the raw taste from it. This will also help to thicken the sauce. Now, we'll slowly pour in the half and half and continue whisking for a couple minutes as well, or until the mixture is fairly smooth. We don't want any chunks in it. Then we'll pour in some chicken broth and of course, let's keep whisking. As the sauce starts to thicken slowly, we'll add more ingredients to it, like sugar, fresh chopped thyme, ground Himalayan sea salt, and white pepper. We'll continue whisking for another minute or so, or until the sauce has a beautiful consistency without turning into a thick gravy. We'll now add the star of the dish, the frozen peas that have been slightly thawed out. We'll stir until everything is well blended, reduce the heat a little between medium-low and medium, and cook for 5 minutes, enough to warm up the peas. When time is up, we'll taste and adjust if necessary, and serve immediately. And my friends, these are our cream peas. It's such a simple and yet flavorful dish to make. The added shallots, garlic and thyme really complement this vegetable. Creamy and delicious, this is a side dish everyone will enjoy this summer. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!